Okay guys, so the last bit of parts for the turbo upgrade on the Evo have arrived. So I'll just go over this with you real quick and show you what I got here, and then so now that these parts are in, I have all the parts needed. We can go ahead and get started on teardown and assembly of the FP Red. So I have some 1200cc low impedance injectors. It's kind of nice. It came with these clips if needed. An AMS fuel rail. I went with 1200cc because I'm going to go with E85. A Walbro 450 HP pump. So this is the one, the 274. And we'll take it out here and show you quickly what it looks like. There that is. That's all that came with it. All this came from STM, well, except for the fuel rail, that obviously came from AMS. And I also have an STM 3-inch test pipe. So you might remember from an earlier video, I had a resonator pipe on the car, and one of the resonators actually down inside the pipe had broken off and it was rattling around in there. So I figured since it wasn't 100%, I'd just go ahead and order a whole brand new pipe. So this piece from STM is actually pretty nice. I mean, it's 3-inch full stainless with an O2 bung there, and it comes with the gaskets and the hardware. So if your old hardware is rusted out, it's kind of nice that they provide some new stuff here for you, just in case you need it if you break a bolt or have to cut them or grind them out when you go to replace that. So that's nice of STM to do that. So there's the final parts. I got the fuel system now. I've got the turbo and I've got the exhaust all set up in-house, ready to go. So the next video will be of me tearing the old turbo out and installing some of the new bits. So thank you guys and stay tuned.